Hello and welcome to this Python tutorial. Okay, so thanks to the previous tutorial, we are now ready to fit our multiple linear regression model to the training set because our data is well pre-processed. So let's do it right now. Let's import the library that we need that will complete this job. So this library is the same as for simple linear regression. That is, we are going to import from sklearn, scikit-learn, dot linear model, so exactly the same thing as for linear regression, import linear regression, which makes sense because we're still making a linear regression model only with several independent variables. Okay, and as for simple linear regression, we are going to introduce our regressor, so regressor here equals, and still the same as simple linear regression, we're going to call the class linear regression parenthesis. Okay, perfect. So by doing that, we created an object of the class linear regression. So the regressor here is our object, and this is the class. So regressor is an object of the linear regression class. And now we are going to fit this object to our training set. And to do this, it's very simple. We will use the fit method by typing regressor dot fit. So that's where we use the fit method. And then we apply this fit method to our training set that is in Python, x train and y train. Okay, so what it means is that I first created this regressor object of the linear regression class, and then by applying the fit method onto this object, that means I fit the multiple linear regressor to my training set. So once I execute this line, this particular regressor will be fitted to my training set. And actually we are ready. So let's select this block of code, Command and Control plus Enter to execute, and all good. Okay, so we can see the output here, linear regression, copy x equals true, fit intercept equals true, and jobs equals 1, normalize equals false. That's all the parameters of the linear regression class that were taken by default because we didn't specify them, but that's okay. Here we have everything we need. Okay, so actually that's the end of this tutorial. We just fitted the multiple linear regression to the training set, and now we're going to test the performance of the multiple linear regression model in a separate set, which is going to be the test set. So let's do this in the next tutorial, and until then, enjoy machine learning.